Today in this King of Jokers Motovlog, and for today's video, siyempre maglilinis tayo ng motor. At siyempre hindi lang siya basta linis dahil meron tayong gagawin. Susubukan natin i-detailing yung ating Rossi Titan ng si Redman. At susubukan natin yung binili natin ng degreaser para mawala yung mga putik-putik o yung mga namumuong langis doon sa ating makina at siyempre doon sa kadena. Susubukan lang natin kung makukuha natin yung sinasabing back to zero gamit yung mga materyales o yung mga gamit na ito. So tara, subukan na natin yan at samahan nyo. Let's go!
We keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. We ain't slowing down. Moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. Yeah. No, we ain't slowing it down. Let's go. We ain't slowing down, baby. Come and show me how. Gotta do it right now. You know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium. Pull up with a team and I'm ain't worried about the other side. They know that they ain't beating. I'm on everything I love. Work to the man above. Keep it cool, calm, collected. At this point, you get the message. Life is hectic, but we gotta keep it rolling. No, gotta keep it grooving, keep it moving like we stole it though. Rolling with the punches, giving hits like we are in a scope. Even though I'm clocking.
Tingnan nyo. Amuti na, di ba? Ito. Amuti pa. Pero, tsagain mo lang yan. Tsagain natin to. Tsagain natin yan. So, yung mga dents na rin dito. Pero lahat yan, tsagain natin muna. Ito, mga to. Ano namumutin yan? Brushin natin lahat yan. Ito. So, ngayon, gagawin natin. Magsalin ulit tayo.
Punching in, I'm independent though. Staying prayed up, ain't nothing gon' phase us. Ain't never gon' let a lame say what they just made up. I never take a pay cut, we getting what we worked in. I never change the blueprint cause we know it's really working. Keep on moving, we keep on moving along. Keep it moving, keep it rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down.
Medyo muti na. Pero kulong pa yan. Spray pa tayo. Tatapusan natin sa tugasan, lagyan ng tawag dun? Degreaser. So yan, namuti na to. Pero ito kasi hindi na to matatanggal talaga, mancha na yan. And kung mapansin nyo may kupas, diba? And kupas na yan, matagal na yan kupas. Ngayon lalagyan natin siya ng wax, kundi wax yung black na ay ang tawag doon? Wax na ano. Ito. Armor wax tsaka itong back to black. Yan. So ngayon patuyuin muna natin. Ito. Patutuyuin natin siya muna. Let's go. Lagyan natin ng armor wax yung mga glossy part. Ito, hindi ko muna ito ano kasi pinturang ko na lang yun. Nagkupas na yun eh. Pero ito armor wax. So lagyan natin dito. Yan. Gusto, lagyan natin.
Gone away, I'm gone away, and the sun gonna shine on a brand new day.
Kapagod ah. Pero ayan. So umikintab na konti-unti. So ayan. Ito namang gulong. Tapos ito mga ganito. So yung back to black ang gagamitin natin.
Must be somewhere. Welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers, as much as I can hold. gone away. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day for me. A brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day for love. Yeah, I'm motorboating. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. Yeah. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day for me. A brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day for love. Yeah.
Nawala ng puti-puti dito. Turtle wax. Yung scratch and swirl. Tabo. Alright, so tapos na natin. Inabot na tayo ng anong oras. Pero ayan, at least napag-detail na tayo. So, ang gagawin natin, montage.
Like it's delirium, ay, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, ay, like it's delirium, yeah, yeah, like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Walk up to the stage with a drink like I'm Giveon, but I never came here to sing what I'm really on. Giving dividends, I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge, you ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it gone, give me the experience. Make me a believer like a feature at the cinema. Then we gotta keep it all a secret like the Pentagon. All these peeping times, people asking me what we been on.